Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming eligibility and gathering documents. This saves time at every step. Once you have PAN, Aadhaar, address proof, 3-month salary slips and 6 months bank statements, decide your loan amount and tenor. Make sure your CIBIL score is in range. Lenders check it early. Then choose how to start. Visit a branch for personal help or open ICICI net banking to start online. This first action sets the pace and prevents delays later. You now complete the application with precise employment, income, and vehicle details. Accuracy speeds approval. Once done, upload verified documents as clear PDFs or JPGs and check file size limits before submitting. Make sure to authorize eKYC and e-sign if you apply online, or schedule an in-branch verification and vehicle valuation when required. These middle steps let the bank run credit checks, assess collateral, and calculate EMI. Staying organized reduces back-and-forth queries from the loan team. You finish by reviewing the sanction letter carefully for interest rate, processing fee, and prepayment charges. Accept only when terms match your expectation. After acceptance, complete final verification and sign agreements. Submit any outstanding vehicle registration or NOC documents so disbursal proceeds. Disbursal typically credits your account or pays the dealer directly. If anything goes wrong, check the ICICI portal status. Contact your relationship manager, promptly upload missing documents, or address CIBIL discrepancies to remove obstacles quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.